Opo.
Why is it important for you to discuss it?
Actually, I have to apologize if I offended anyone from BP Binay's camp. I didn't want to drag his name into this. In fact, if you notice kanina, pinipilit kong hindi sabihin talaga kung sino yung Vice President. Sinabi ko lang na may pondo sa OVP noong 2014 because kahapon nabanggit na dalawa kasi yung tanong. Ang tanong is, nung nag-audit ka, sinong Vice President lang nang na-audit mo sa ICFAO? At ang sagot ay si VP Sara Duterte. Pero yung pangalawang tanong, bakit? Ang sagot kasi ng ating testigo is because during my tenure or time in ICFAO, siya lang naman yung Vice President na may ganong appropriation. So I wanted to clarify on the second point because as you know, sa SOCMED kahapon, ang dami ko nang nakita na parang pinapalabas si VP Sara lang ang first ever Vice President na nagkaroon ng confidential funds. And that's why yesterday, di ba, hindi ko pa masagot kasi I was gonna use that sa cross today. Pero yesterday, sabi ko sa inyo, mafa-fact check nyo naman kung ilang vice presidents ang nagkaroon ng confidential funds para lang patas tayo, para lang hindi naman yung nasa sentro lang na lumalabas misleading news na si VP lang in our history ang nagkaroon ng confidential funds as a vice president.